Bonus season is almost among us. We have a couple scoops here at Bloomberg. Citigroup, Bank of America, JP Morgan, all looking at cutting bonuses for their investment bankers. Now that, somewhat expected. What's not expected is a scoop from Sridhar Natarajan, which basically said that Goldman Sachs is going to cut its bonus trading pool for traders. That was the big surprise. Sri, why is this part so significant?
Well, because Wall Street has a pay-for-performance culture. How has performance been for traders across the street, not just at Goldman Sachs? Generally, you've seen global markets at all these big banks going up 10% this year because of the cocktail effect of all the various things that have been impacting markets. At Goldman Sachs, they've outperformed. Their revenue is expected to hit $25 billion just from trading. That's up 15%. So when you're a trader at Goldman Sachs and you're suddenly being told this week that the bonus pool is going to be down double digits, low double digits, but that's still a materially worse movement in the direction of the compensation pool relative to your revenue movement, that is going to result in an allergic reaction.
Walk us through the reasons why management would want to do this, Sri.
Well, there are some idiosyncratic reasons. Of course, let's talk about the broader reason. There is this threat of austerity that you will see across Wall Street. But at Goldman, the leadership duo atop the firm, Chief Executive Officer David Solomon and John Waldron, are also dealing with expense issues. There was this expensive foray into consumer banking that has saddled them with losses. Now, they have been spending a lot of money on that front. That was true last year as well, but a lot of sins were masked in 2021 because you were on your way to a phenomenal year when the bank raked in $60 billion in revenue. That is not being repeated. And when you lose that protection and cover, suddenly, even if your traders are doing well, you have to worry about the entire firm. And as some executives there point out, you can only be as happy as your unhappiest child.